All ready to start charging customers and getting paid? Well, don't start spending it just yet. We still have a wee bit more work ahead. So let's get a look at what we need to know and to build for getting paid. The Stripe checkout form does the heavy lifting of securing a valid payment source for us. It frees us up from worrying about the details of handling or validating payment cards. But it does not finalize the transaction by collecting a payment. This is because the next step in the checkout process can vary depending on your needs. However, in this section, we will focus on just getting paid. For you to get paid, you need to write some additional PHP code. That PHP code will use the Stripe PHP library and communicate with the Stripe API. The Stripe PHP library helps minimize the coding that we need to do. When we go to collect from customers, we hopefully will get successful results. But we can get exceptions from Stripe. Those we will need to learn how to handle. So we plan to learn more about them using the online documentation. Then we will narrow that down to the coding we need for our work. We also are going to learn more about what's going on in your Stripe dashboard. Don't worry, we do not think that is a government auditor, but Stripe does record all the activity. This includes successful checkouts, charges to customers, and payments to you. You can research all these records as needed. This is helpful in writing code and if customers have inquiries. To do that better, we'll take a look at the information available online that helps us understand data that we will see in the dashboard reports. The Stripe dashboard is a convenient back-office interface to what happens on your website. You will find that you can make changes to transactions such as making refunds or reissuing payment notices. Finally, the order information from your Stripe transactions on your website is sent to the customer's bank. We will look at what input we have to that information to avoid confusing charges on customer bank statements. Well, that's it. You can get ready to go. See you at the first session.